So while we're all anticipating the launch of the Honor X80 Pro Max, Honor has quietly launched the Honor X70 Pro Max. This device is expected to be one of the best mid-rangers of 2026 with a slim profile but packing a massive battery just like the upcoming Honor X80 Pro Max. But of course its own battery is not as large as that of the massive 11,000 mAh battery of the upcoming Honor X80 Pro Max. And speaking of battery, the Honor X70 Pro, according to the details, would pack a massive 8560 mAh silicon carbon battery supporting 90 watts fast wire charging and 27 watts reverse wire charging. So you could basically not just quickly top up this device but also use this device as a power bank to quickly top up other devices. The device also features a 6.79-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, DCI-P3 support, and an astonishing 6000 nits peak brightness. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chip paired with 8GB RAM with options for either 256GB storage or 512GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. In the camera department, the device features a 50MP main rear camera with OIS support paired with an auxiliary lens capable of 4K video recording. Front-facing camera is 8MP and it supports 1080p video recording. The device ships with the Android 16 with the Magic OS 10 custom skin on top. Additional features include dual stereo speakers, an under-display or in-display optical fingerprint scanner, face unlock support, 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and an infrared blaster. The phone also comes in 4 colorways including bamboo green, phantom purple, sunburst gold, and phantom night black. Now for pricing, according to the details, the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage version would cost about $295 to $300, while the top tier 512GB storage option is expected to cost about $355. So these are the top specs of the Honor X70 Pro Max. As you can see, it's a pretty nice mid-range device, and of course it's still very affordable, but currently it's only available in China, and I don't know if it's going to be available globally or not. Not all Honor devices gets to be available in the global market, but it doesn't really matter where you are. I think you can still be able to buy these devices from multiple Chinese online stores like AliExpress, GameStop and the others. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.